Talk about my vlog. Oh, this vlog is 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I think. And have to edit this vlog like so late in the night because it's currently 4:22, 4:21 p.m. in the Philippines. Sorry. So with here in Ghana, I don't know. Check. So we count our money in here. Check. So I have advanced the coin. First we're going Sura Victoria Robinson in the console Sura 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30. We're gonna add more up to 100 something. So we have, that's the related video. We are in my grandmother's house. So, that house next to, that was Mamamino, and this house there, edited video again. This is a voice record. So we are in my grandmother's house. So this my grandmother is birthday today. Sorry for late vloggers. That's the genius right there. Sorry for the vlog, and this is 5 to 10 something, but I'm gonna keep this vlog only capture number, but I don't want that. I'm just putting it on this one.
Bago na ako tutulugan.
Open.
Ang dami. Kita mo ng bintana sa